Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can fix a Xiaomi or Mi dock viewer have a problem such as couldn't open file or open in another app. You couldn't open the PDF files with this Mi dock viewer. So if you have a Xiaomi phone, a Xiaomi Android phone, of course you got the software like Mi dock viewer, so you can open a PDF file or doc file with this app. So sometimes if you get bug, so here we go. In order to fix it, you can try to clear cache of that app. So you can go to the settings or hold Mi dock viewer icon, application icon, then you go to manage apps, then select storage, then tap clear cache, and also you can consider to clear the data. Now you can try to open the file with Mi dock viewer, so you can retry after clear cache or clear the data. Or you can go to the check for updates. You can go to the Google Play Store and search for the Mi dock viewer application and check if an update is available. And here we go. Or you can try to change default document viewer. So you can go to the setting, application or apps, manage your apps, then find Mi dock viewer and tap on it. Then select open by default and choose another app to open documents with. Or you can try to uninstall and reinstall. So if all this method doesn't fix your problem, you can try to use like an alternate app like Google Docs, or you can use a Adobe Acrobat Reader, or you can try to install WPS Office. So there are many ways to open your document instead of open with Mi dock viewer. So feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and circle this button below. See you in the next video.